In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can hide your Instagram posts from someone without having to actually block them. This is a pretty cool feature, and if you want to go ahead and hide your posts from certain people, but you don't want to go ahead and block them because that will just be mean, what you can do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Then you can see 3 horizontal stripes at the top right corner. Tap on that. Then you want to tap on settings. And then on the settings page, you want to tap on privacy. And then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you can see options underneath connections. You can see it says restricted accounts. Tap on restricted accounts. Then what you can do is go ahead and type in a person's username and then tap on restrict. And then what happens when you restrict them, they're not going to be able to see most of your Instagram feed posts and that, but they will still be connected to you on Instagram, meaning that you're still following them. So they pretty much won't know that you did this, but they won't be seeing your posts pop up in their feed that often. So that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.